Are you looking for an affordable way to unlock homeownership and own an income-producing property? Listen up. Fannie Mae recently lowered the down payment requirements for multifamily loans, which means that as of November 18th, qualified buyers can purchase a 2 to 4 unit primary residence with as little as 5% down. Let's go over the basics. With the Fannie Mae multifamily loan for movement, you can say goodbye to hefty down payments because you only need 5%. Here's the exciting part. Because borrowers must use the multifamily home as a primary residence, you can live in one unit and rent out the remaining units to help cover your mortgage payments. It's also great for multi-generational living. This way you can have your extended family living under one roof, but in separate units. Now let's talk about some of the important details. 1. At least one of the units must be owner-occupied. 2. This program is not available for second homes or non-owner occupied properties. And 3. It's suitable for purchase or limited cash-out refinance transactions. Sound like a great option for you? Contact a Movement Mortgage Loan Officer today to learn more about making your dream of home ownership and property investment a reality.